Hi there, I'm Addie. In this video tutorial, we'll guide you through in detail how to make an annotation within an ebook. To create an annotation, within the reader, highlight a word or term and select the Create Annotation icon from the Learning toolbar that pops up. From here, you can select a highlighter colour and add a note or comment for what you've highlighted. All new annotations are set to private by default, where the annotation is only visible to you, but click the eye icon and you can make your annotation visible to the entire cloud, or specific students within that cloud. If you want to send the annotation to an individual, don't forget to deselect the cloud, otherwise it'll be shared with the entire class. Click Add to create your annotation. You can also use the annotation as a simple highlighter by selecting the Annotate button and leaving the comment box blank. Access your annotations via the Learning Annotation thread in the header to engage in a learning discussion. View or make a comment, edit your personal annotations, or delete them entirely. As a teacher, you also have the ability to edit or delete student-shared annotations and comments, allowing you to manage productive discussions and share knowledge among your class. Communicate one-to-one, one-to-many, or one-to-all. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.